where they had record snow in Pittsburgh, and here in Colorado there's 6 to 10 inches across the springs. All new accumulations. It's nearly coast to coast and coming up for the upper Midwest today and tomorrow. On the other side of things, they're claiming a 65-degree day in Antarctica. Happened at the northern extended tip, but still would be amazing if true. If, because I pulled the data for the exact time, and something tells me that's not exactly an accurate measurement. Yellow is the 60s on this graph, and you need to go hundreds of miles north of the coast of Antarctica to hit those marks. The air around the region was 30s and 40s. Allegedly, they've got a reading pushing 70. Okay. Moving on, because this is legit. As cold as October was, is how hot January was in general. While it's true that the other side of the world got hammered by winter the last month, for North America, it was a nice change from a ridiculous autumn season. Speaking of temperatures, not sure how I forgot to mention this yesterday, but that Beaufort gyre that's been stuck and is going to release a cold climate bomb on the world has been stuck for years. So much of the cold that helps dampen the summer heat has not reached the Atlantic and helped drive a lot of the higher temperatures that we've seen the last decade. No way to get there if the gyre had released. It's now spent 3 times as long as it's supposed to in this phase, with record cold freshwater melt being added to it by the day. It will be the greatest gyre release of the modern age when it happens. Long and far away from the Beaufort gyre sits Zealandia. Most of her resides beneath the waters, but that didn't used to be the case. They say this land sunk into the sea when the Ring of Fire really activated. Did not know it was that extensive of a mass that it sunk. Up next, a great confirmation of one of Dr. Brian Tinsley's more complex